So this video is a very quick demonstration of how to use the midpoint formula to find the midpoint of a vector. In this question, we've been given a vector AB, and we've been given the points A and the point B. And so the first thing we want to do when using the midpoint formula is, of course, write down what the midpoint formula is. So we're going to write down midpoint equals, and we're going to say 1/2 of vector OA plus OB. And so looking at this formula, we hopefully noticed that we need to establish what vector OA is and what vector OB is. And due to the nature of these vectors originating at the origin, all we really need to do is take the coordinates of point A and point B and put them in vector form. So in a different color, I might just state over to the right here, vector OA is the vector 4, 3, and vector OB is the vector 12, 9. Okay, that's the size of those two vectors, and we can substitute those values into our midpoint formula, and we get 1/2 of the resulting vector of OA, which was 4, 3, plus the vector OB, which was 12, 9. And so we do our arithmetic vector addition, and we still get 1/2 of 4 plus 12, the x components here, 4 plus 12 is going to give me 16, and my y components, 3 plus 9, is going to give me 12. And now using scalar multiplication, we distribute the 1/2 to both of those values, and we get the resultant vector of 8 and 6. And so that is the midpoint formula in use. And then I guess we'll just say therefore the midpoint of vector AB is the point 8, 6.